Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another Coding Every Day Until I Get a Job. This is day 50. Yay! Um, so yesterday, um, we were able to implement some filtering to the main page so that, um, yeah, the filtering works. Let's just, oops. Um, yeah, yeah, basically the filtering in the main page works. Dev. Um, yeah, basically the filtering works. I added some optimization that basically turning the resource cards and using a wrapper so that the main homepage could still be a server component, but um, the other the interactive part, which is the filter pills, and this part would still be a client component. So that's nice. We still logged in as admin dashboard. I think we're gonna need to change that, especially with dangerous. But as you can see here, I also changed the styling a little bit to add the views, but it's still not, the logic of it is not working. We added some skeleton loader, suggestion by Mr. Urkiden, that we should add that to have a much better user experience when the internet is terrible. I think I can show it using, let's try to use a 3G, and then we can remove this. We can try to reload the page. I think it's not working. I don't know why. Yeah, okay. I already considered the responsive design of it, but let's see. Okay, let's just say the user has a terrible with 3G. This is what the loading would look like. So we have some skeleton loader, so that's very, very cool. And yeah, we have some skeleton loader on some parts, not everything. I know that probably would be weird and kind of more annoying, but I think this uh looks good so far. And then let's just say if we go to the individual page, we also have some skeleton loader. We'll see here, hopefully. Yeah, it's still connecting. I choose the 3G. There we go. We have some loader for the resources. I added some breadcrumb navigation for better um, navigation, of course. And I don't know, maybe I add a little. I'm not sure if the padding is too much in like the middle, but if it's full, if it's a full page like this, it looks nice. Yeah, maybe this page is a little bit empty. Maybe I should perhaps add um, maybe a few more section down here before the footer so that it would be more engaging, or perhaps added some space for some sponsored or something like that. But I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it's almost all the main section of the uh, feature is almost done. I just need to have like the liked and views to be uh, working, because as of right now, the liked and the views is not working yet. So I guess we should start to apply that. And uh, I have some of the notes here that on what to do to perform and to add those features. So let's try to add them and make sure that the code works fine. I think we need to make some server action as well as some API routes regarding the uh, the time. Sorry, not the time. The like the views and likes, how it works. But yeah, I want to change something with the here. Oh wait, no, not this. Is it resources and page? No. Resource.cards. Um, I think I changed this a little bit. Oh, okay. I think what I want to search is the peg. Yeah. Oops, it's not working. Resource description, resource. Is it this one? Subject. Okay. I'm not sure if this is the correct way to do it, but will that work? Or that part? Okay, that wouldn't work. Okay, I understand. Okay. There we go. Okay. That's what we want. Some still, I think it's much better to have some description on it compared to this. Compared to when if it's, compared if it's empty. So I think I'm gonna add some description into it. Maybe have um some video summarizer or something like that. Hello, Keshav. Thank you. Thank you so much. I am on the 50th day over here, so definitely gonna keep doing it. Okay, let's check here what we need to do. So I think, yeah, because we can see here the filter works. We have some URL parameters so that it's shareable. or for power system, for machine learning, for biomedics, it's still not there. This is a bit not intuitive, but it's a marquee pill. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need to add more resources. If we clear, let's go back to this. If we go here, we can go back to here. We can go back here, go back here. It's quite fast actually. So that's very awesome. Okay, nice. Huh. One second, resource. Okay, I think we need to create a server action for the like and dislike. So I don't know if this is a bit too small, or I don't know. We can make it bigger perhaps, but I think we should make the server action first. So I asked Grokt on what's the best folder structure that I should use. I should have an action inside here. Action folder in here. Oh, sorry. Actions with S. And here I want to create, maybe let's do like.ts. Yeah. And then use server. Gonna import db from lib. Yeah, no, from, actually not from here. Let's import from, we have a db/schema db, and then we import, this is from resources, and then like from db.schema. I think we're gonna have some equal and n from Visual RM. Import the auth, because we need the auth from @/lib/. This is the auth, I think, for the session, and of course, yeah, the one that can like it is if you're already signed in or have an account. If you don't, it will prompt you to do it. That's actually pretty accurate. So export async function toggle like. Take a resource ID, and as always, we check the session. Yeah, actually, it's pretty cool that, I don't know. I think I'm gonna throw a toast, would be much better. Oh, sorry, it's not DB schema. It's DB Brazil, sorry. The expression is not callable. Type handler request. What? Okay, let's try to fill it. Have a try catch for the query. So, oh, we don't have like count? Really? Okay. Oh, sorry, not no DB, sorry. Huh, okay, that's odd. The await DB update set like count. I think we have like count. Okay, maybe it's why is it not expression not callable? And why is it wrong? Because if we go back to schema, we do have, let's just remove the UID. We do have hmm. Okay, maybe it's okay. Maybe we can fix up. We can try that. Oh, okay, that's odd. Like, why is that not allowed? Okay, okay. Why is it set to did I is it the wrong one? Catch error. Okay. Let's see if this is actually correct. I don't think it's correct, but we always have to try catch logged. Update resources. And I think this we have view count and like count. I don't know why is it not working. From resources, where eq resources.id resource. Okay. Oh, okay. You have the like count and view count, but why is it not available? I have view count, but for some reason it's a type error, so I'm not entirely sure why. What did I do wrong? Hmm. And is this not working because we have to use server? Huh, okay. Then we also need to create a use like.ts. Like we need to make a custom hook using the as a query. And then use session. This I am reading some docs and some notes because I'm not that familiar yet with create query, but from what I know, yeah, we have keys and function. Okay, we're gonna need to make an API for the like. Yeah, whether or not that uh, that post has been liked or not. gonna be ID, it's gonna be slug. So this might cause an error, but we'll see how it goes. So for now, we need to create the API for the why is this expression not callable? I mean, for the other, it's also has some. Huh. Okay. That's not good. Why is it not callable? User's ID is. Oops. Huh. Why is it slug? Can I not grab this slug from there? Ah, sorry. We need to import resources. God damn it. Okay, I forgot. Yeah, sorry. That's why it's Okay, and then EQ as well from the drizzle. Now it's not error anymore. Oh, okay. Why is session not callable? Okay. This is gonna cause a lot of error because, okay, you know what? Let's get it off first. Hello, Mr. Ronaldo and Consti. Hope everyone have a nice evening. The like status. This is the like status. It's gonna cause a lot of error because it's not slug or string, I think, but we'll see how that goes. Now I think we need to create a modal, like a login modal, right around here. Because when the user click the like button, but they don't sign in, we're going to need to create that. I think we need a dialog component. I don't know if we have a dialog component yet. So let's click the package .json. Do we have dialog? Let's try to I don't think we have dialogue, so I think we can add such a dialogue. We can add that. Yeah, this is the type of pop-up that we want to have. Let's go here. Let's install it. What is that? Okay, never mind. Cool. Now we wait. Okay, modal, export, default function, loading modal. It's gonna empty first. Let's make it empty first. This is gonna be a client component because it's gonna be this client. We're gonna have some state, of course. State, and do we need support? Okay, so it's gonna be open and off, right? Interface. Okay, props. So boolean or on open page. Let's import the from at slash components slash UI slash dialog. We're gonna need to import dialog itself, dialog content, dialog description, and then dialog header and dialog title. There we go. Why is it not working? Okay, this doesn't seem to want to work. Gonna have a dialogue and content. Dialog header inside, and inside of it we have the dialog title. Here we have sign in to continue. Below the header is field. Yeah, okay. This is gonna go to the handle sign in. So we're gonna create that later. We're gonna have a it's loading state, of course. Plus I'm full, and I think this is gonna be yeah, it's loading. It says oh, it's a loader. Yep, and let's create this loading state. Where's the yep. And the handles in it would be the same as the one in the sign in button. It's not social, it's just like the regular one. Uh-oh. Yep. I need to check the auth function in the sign in. Auth client. Okay. And I want to see how we did it at the navbar, actually, in the auth navbar specifically. Handle sign. Wait, what is this? Is it here? Is it in the auth form? It's in the auth form, I remember. Okay, wait. Let me go to the auth card and oh, I'm just gonna redirect it to the login. Oh, let's not make it complicated. Let's not have this. We still have loading, but on click, I think it should be like a link. Is it link wrap in? Okay, let's try to add. Does that work? Hopefully that works. Hopefully that works. It's not auth and it's just slash sign in. Because the auth is fake. Let's see if that works. What does person be serializable? What does that supposed to mean? Okay, now I think we need to create the like button component and see if that works. Hello, Nuki. Sorry, I just saw the chat. Sorry, I want to make a like slash say feature on my Treasury website project actually. So yeah, we want to implement like a save or like button where the user could like, but in order to like, you need to be able to wait. I mean, like before you like, you need to be logged in to the site. Okay, sorry, that was no. I think we can make the like button. Although I think it won't work the first time. There's still a lot of error. Even like a lot of TypeScript was being mad in a lot of the thing. So like button.tsx. This is gonna be use client again. Gonna be importing button from that. From Lucy to React, because yeah, that's what we use. Import. We have to use like hook that we have. We also want to import the session because the only way for you to like is if you are and then you have to use state and then the login module. You need to create interface. This is ID string, like count base number. Variant is a union, right? If I'm not mistaken. Goes size could be default as an LG and class name are string. It's gonna return some fragment where it has the button basically wrapping the heart. If I yeah, it's wrapping the heart basically, and below it is the login modal that will open depending on the state it's given. Yes, you want to, yeah, thank you, TypeScript. So we're gonna have a state for the show login modal. We're gonna make that after this. On open change, it's gonna be set show. And then I think we're gonna need to get the session data. The from the our custom hook. Some of the function is sorry, it's is the does exist? Yes, it's just not declared yet. Cool. Now, okay, handle like wait. Which if it doesn't have a user, it's gonna set show model true and return something. Toggle icon. Now the button here, which is wrapping up the heart, is a variant of variant size. Oh shit! Sorry, wrong. Sorry, this is not good. It's closing for that. I read the wrong. Sorry. I think that should be all the component. Thing. Yep, we're gonna have some use effect to get that. there any build error that's gonna happen because I messed up something? I think I'm gonna put the right like button over here, maybe, besides the visit site. Ah, okay. See, we have some error regarding the view count. Okay, let's try to add the like button first. I want to see the UI first, and then we fix that logic. Um, where is it? It's right here. Mm, resource title, and then we have a button, which is that. Okay, they should be right here. Components like button. It's gonna have resource ID. It's gonna be resource ID. It's gonna have a like count, which is resource dot like count, and then size would be LG. Let's try that. Let's see how is that looking. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think what we can do is test it to see if the like button works or not. Oh no, it doesn't. Okay, let's see. What's the error? Oops, console. Failed to load resources first one with the status 500. Error toggling. Yeah, okay. This doesn't work, apparently. I think let's just put I think that would be much better. Let's try to get this off. Okay. Let's add some flex to this div. Oops, I forgot. I turned off the development server. Let's close this for now. Close this as well. Yo, what's up? What's up, man? How are you? Let's see how that looked. Our button, basically. That's much better. I think I'm gonna make the gap a bit closer. Because the gap, sorry, the gap is a bit too wide. So let's go to network. And let's no throttling, okay? Normal speed, okay? There we go. That's much better. Okay, cool. Okay, if it's small, I want it to be flex, flex, cool. And then make the gap. Ah, shit. So 9, 9. That's wrong. Wrong div. Okay. Two is enough, I think. There we go. That's much better. And I think we just need to make the button. Ah, okay. Wait, no. If it's how should we do this? Okay. Delete. Okay. If it's SM, I want it to be flexible. But then E, it's going to be just normal flex. Does that work? Ah, okay. Sorry. That means it's wrong. Is something like this? Okay, wait, I forgot. Which one should I go first? Maybe it's oh, I forgot. Shit, I forgot. Okay, how can I make wait, yeah, let me try. Sorry, I need to ask. Yeah, one moment. Let's see. Ah, okay. So it's like this. It's still flex. And still flex cool with eye center and gap of 2. But in medium, it's gonna be flex row. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, I forgot it's flex row, by the way. Class size empty. So let's make this size empty. But add a class name so that it would have size LG. Okay, let's add that to the like button because I think I forgot to add it to the union. We can add another one, MD. I think, right? Yes. Okay, cool. Now we go to the log site page. Are you sure it's not assignable? Why is it still error? Let's see. Okay, yeah, it's gone now. Okay, let's see how that works. Okay, cool. Okay, that's not what I want. Sorry. Student size LG, okay. Okay, actually this doesn't look that bad. This actually looks kind of nice. Maybe we can add the padding. Error toggle like. It's not a function. Okay. That's not good. Okay. Hmm. 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 Okay. Let's go to the resource card. We have a heart, right? Now I think we want to make it the like button. So we can just remove this div, I think. Change the heart and this. To be honest, I kind of, I don't know. Maybe I like this better. Maybe we can make the like inside of the page only, you know? No need to be here. I think this with the likes count and 0 views, it's already pretty cool. And now with the dashboard, because inside of the dashboard, there's nothing. But because that's a yeah. See, it's still empty. So now we want to make the saved, we want to add the saved user into the dashboard. So let's go to do we have a dashboard? Yes. This is already an asynchronous. Okay, I think we can import DB because we can query the data right away from here, right? So likes resources as well as resource tags from DB schema because it's already it's already an async component. We can like query it here. We're gonna need another EQ. I think maybe it's much better to have a custom hook for this, but you know what? It's fine. And then we need to add some card content, card header, card title. We're gonna import some badge as well as the save image that I created because I do not want to deal with managing the what's it called again? There is a Lex config. So now we want to get the users liked because I think but of course there's still something error with the API as well as the hooks that we made, so we're gonna need to do that, fix that. So let's const like resources from the user. Wait, db dot select ID title. Yeah, this could definitely like to just grab everything, but it doesn't work out because it's gonna need to be the one where this user, the user ID with the resource tags have like the connection between the what am I saying? Resource description, image URL, resource image URL, subject, resources subject, resources author, like resources like count, view count, resources view count, created like. Oh, I don't know if I remember. Do I have a like? Created from likes and join. So wanna equal the one the user one that connects with the resource one. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, likes the user ID, this one. Does not exist. Okay. Sorry. And also get the tags. Damn, okay, this is starting to get confusing. Okay, let's hope that I am not gonna be freaked off by this. Okay, we have card. Plus name of power, shadow, entity, transition, shadow, image flow. Inside of the card, we have a if with a class name of relative, h32. After the resource description, we have another div with the class name flex run give one, and inside of it it's gonna be the badge. Let's see if we are okay. Card title. Didn't we use any card title? Really? Okay, apparently not. Okay. Okay. The functionality doesn't work. Okay, see, you haven't liked any Bros homework. Okay. I think some styling needs to be done to the Bros homework section. Let's see. Because that's a bit too flat to my liking. So we need to add some class name to this. Border rounded full to our BG grade 100 transition colors. There we go. What does that look like? Huh. That's not that bad actually. It's just like quite shit to be honest. I know it's fine. The styling could be done later. It's fine. No, the functionality still doesn't work for some reason because we have a lot of that error previously. And yeah. But you know what? I'm gonna fix the error tomorrow because yeah, it's just crazy. Let's see if we have any other console error. Yes, we do. The increment, yeah, all the logic for the yeah, every logic for this is just wrong. So I think we're gonna fix that tomorrow. It's still not working, but hello, Mr. Brookman. Thank you. So yeah, we added this, but the functionality still doesn't work. See, yeah, the incrementing the view count doesn't work. Liking still doesn't work. But yeah, you know, it's okay. We can try to fix it tomorrow because I'm already tired, not gonna lie. But again, thank you very much for watching. This is another coding every day until I get the job. This is the 50, and yeah, we added some. So yesterday we added some of the filtering, which is already done. Very fast, very nice. We have some loading screen as well. Sorry, loading state, like a skeleton loading. See, for this page, for the individual page, as well as the resource card. But I think it's already cached. So yeah. I don't know if I want to check the let's do it. So let's check the DrizzleKit Studio and see if the like actually is sent out, but I got thrown an error and it just doesn't. Okay, I'm just gonna make a script to the package.json. Okay. Mm. Let's I want to make sure um so yeah, let's make a script to run the DrizzleKit Studio so I won't have to restart it over and over again. Let me grab some drink first. don't forget to drink, guys. Okay. Let's see if that works. There we go. That's local.result.studio. I'm afraid that it kind of pushed to the database, but it's the error handling that's kind of ruins it. So let's see. Okay, no, nothing. We have the resources here. We already have account. Nobody bookmarks or likes yet. Resources here. We have 16 resources for now. We have 4 session that needs to be ended, but it's not ended. Okay, so no, basically there's no the like still doesn't work. So we're gonna need to fix that. But this is cool, by the way. We can see the data being seen here. So digital graphic. What is this? Okay. I guess that's it for today. Once again, thank you very much for watching. I want to fix the like button and issue tomorrow. I'll see you in the next stream, hopefully by tomorrow.